Downloading TikTok on your PC or laptop is very easy. All you have to do, guys, is follow these simple steps. I'm gonna be showing you a few methods or a few ways to download TikTok on your PC, and now you can choose which one is is good for you. Now the first way, guys, is to download TikTok through Microsoft Store. Like, a lot of people have Microsoft Store on their PC or laptop, but they don't know how to use it. Okay, now all Windows, like all Windows 10 and Windows 11, they have Microsoft Store. Like, if you are using below that, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how you can download TikTok. Now, as you can see, guys, if you go to your Microsoft Store, of course you can search for Microsoft. Just search for Microsoft Store, and this is Microsoft Store, as you can see. Now in the top you want to search for I would say you want to search for TikTok, and now you can download TikTok and you can use it just like you do on your phone. You just want to click on install, and then you want to wait for it to install, and then you can search for it here. You just want to search for TikTok. This is the TikTok app, as you can see. Just click on it, and then you can start using TikTok as you want. That's it. You can log in. Now, if you don't want to download it through Microsoft Store, you just want to search for TikTok.com. Okay, that's it. It will take you directly to TikTok. What you need to do, guys, next after you go to TikTok, you want to click on your profile in the top right. Of course, you have to log into your profile, and then in the top right you want to click on these three little dots, and you want to search for more tools. Let me just check where you can find here. I'm sorry, you want to click on three little dots in the top, and you want to click on install TikTok, as you can see. Now after, guys, you click on install TikTok, you want to click on install again, and this one will be installed, and you will also find it in your desktop. As you can see, this is TikTok. Now you can start using TikTok on your PC or laptop. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you want more tricks and more tips, click the video on the screen and drop a like on this video. The video on the screen is going to be to help you a lot to learn more about how you can use your laptop, like how to download apps on your laptop. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.